Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Are you looking for games that pay via PayPal instantly? You have come to the correct place. As a mother of 3 boys and an online entrepreneur, I frequently hear other mothers talk about how much they like playing online games when their children are sleeping, or just for pleasure. It is one of the most popular things to do on your phone, thanks to the rise of the game business. The great thing about some games is that you may earn money while playing them. There are a plethora of legitimate websites that will pay you to play online games. And the best thing is that they will pay you via PayPal. PayPal is a safe and secure online payment system that allows you to pay for items and send money. There are a variety of reasons why someone might wish to enhance their income, including debt, repayment, or future planning. Whatever the case may be, playing games in your spare time can help you earn a little additional cash. So if you're seeking games that accept PayPal payments, watch this video to learn about the top 8 apps I discovered. They have all been verified, tried, and tested. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. Many programs, including my favorite Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars, accept PayPal payments. Both sites are incentive programs, so you may play games and participate in other activities like viewing films, taking polls and surveys, and so forth. In addition to assist you in getting started, this post will reveal 8 apps that will pay you using PayPal. Solitaire Cube is a great app to join if you want to play games that pay with PayPal. Playing in tournaments or head-to-head competitions with this app can transform your downtown into cash. There are 2 different categories on this app from which you can choose. The Practice League and the Professional League are the 2 types of leagues. The games in the Practice League are free, whereas the games in the Pro League need a monetary deposit to enter. If you want to save money, I strongly advise you to play the free games on this site before spending anything. On the Apple Store, this game has over 83,000 ratings and a 4.6 out of 5-star rating, which is really awesome. You can earn App Karma points by playing games on the app. This free program allows you to complete deals in order to earn rewards, which you can then exchange for PayPal cash or gift cards to places like Target and Walmart. The ways to profit from App Karma are listed below. You can get your referral link when you join up for App Karma and give it to your family and friends to get them to sign up as well. You will also get 30% of anything your referral earns. If you are a blogger or social media influencer, you may earn money through affiliate marketing by joining the VIP affiliate program. You can earn daily rewards with Karma Plays by playing with apps you already have on your phone. Keep the apps for which you've been rewarded and use them every day to gain points and prizes. When you install 5 apps and watch at least 25 videos, you can earn success badges. Achievement badges can also let you earn additional bonuses on the app. Misplay is the most popular loyalty program for mobile gamers right now. On this app, you may sign up, discover new games, play and collect units, and then redeem your units for fantastic prizes. When you sign up, you'll be given access to a unique game collection created just for you. You can start playing a game right away if you locate one you enjoy. You will gain more units the longer you can play. After you have completed the games, you can exchange your units for PayPal cash, Amazon gift cards, or Visa gift cards. Additionally, they hold new contests every week in which you can complete for a variety of prizes, and they reward a big grand prize every month. Keep in mind that this software is only available for Android users. However, I have heard that an iPhone version is on the way, so fingers crossed. Check AppNana if you're looking for games that accept PayPal payments. Nana is a free app that can be downloaded on both iOS and Android devices. Playing games on this platform can earn you PayPal cash or gift cards from your favorite merchants. You can download the various games, play them, and then earn points that you can then redeem for PayPal money or gift cards. This is how you may begin using AppNana. The app is available on the App Store and Google Play. Play new games by downloading them. Playing games or watching videos will earn you points. You can exchange your points for PayPal cash or gift cards. You can also earn points by watching videos and advertisements, so check out AppNana if you are searching for a fresh way to generate money. Check out MooCash if you are seeking for games that pay off instantly via PayPal. You may swipe and tap into PayPal Cash using this application. You can make money on this app by trying out new apps, viewing web pages, and performing tasks such as surveys. You can also exchange the coins you earn on the app for cash or gift cards to your favorite stores using PayPal. They are a small company with 24/7 support, which means you can talk to someone from MooCash at any moment, which is a great benefit. So if you're looking for a great way to make money every day, look into MooCash. Check out Brain Battle if you want to play a fun math game while earning money. This game is available for both iOS and Android users, and you may earn tickets by playing one of their games on their platform. The more tickets you have, the better your chances of winning money in this game. So if you're good at math, you can utilize your knowledge to answer multiple choice questions on this app and earn some additional cash. Also, if you enjoy multiple choice questions and arithmetic, check out Brain Battle to see whether it's a good fit for your list. With the Long Game app, you may earn money by saving each month. Fast Company and the Wall Street Journal have both featured this app. With the Long Game app, this startup hopes to motivate people to save money each month. Because 63% of Americans don't have enough money in their savings account for an emergency, this software can assist users with adding funds to their savings. As you save money in your Long Game app account, you'll be eligible to play lottery-inspired games like Omega Millions and Powerball. Long Game also collaborates with some of the world's most prestigious financial institutions to provide you with daily prizes. You may play games like puzzles, arcades, slots, and much more in addition to helping you save money. While playing games online is a lot of fun, make sure to stay secure by not sharing sensitive information with other users on the platform, such as credit card numbers, names, and addresses. So if you are seeking to make some additional cash by playing games online, I recommend picking a few games and trying them out. You never know, maybe you'll discover a new favorite game. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.